Well, this little Palomar 98 I decided to work on for a local because I'm not really doing anything else anymore, but I just hate going behind other people's work, I guess, because you never know what you're going to get. So anyway, I'm going to try to make this quick because I'm going to do maybe a more in-depth video on this after I finish it off and put it back together maybe. But anyway, I was not getting voltage where I should have been getting voltage. Actually, that area right there is where the screen voltage is, I guess, regulated at. You know, the plate comes from the bottom of the resistor and the screen to the top, and then it comes out and goes into the tubes over that red wire and that filter choke right there. And I wasn't getting voltage. I'm like, why in the world am I not getting voltage here? I should be getting voltage. I got plate voltage. Resistors test good. Diodes test good. You know, continuity checks test good. And everything's tested good. And then when you find something, it's actually really simple, you know, once you find it, what the problem is. And it will take a really good eye. Well, not actually the eye needs to be that good, but somebody really knows how electronics work and switches work and other stuff work to figure out, you know, why I was not getting voltage on this one. So anyway, I'm going to give the answer. So if you don't want to answer, you want to try to figure this out on your own, pause the video, because I'm going to ramble for, you know, a few more seconds, and then I'm going to give the answer of why I was not getting voltage over to the screen like I was supposed to. And it's stupid, but everything, you know, electronic wise, if you know what you're doing, that's why I like electronics. There's something wrong, and once you figure it out, it's always easy. It's like, aha, it had to be that or this. But this was one of them, like, man, you know, it's something I wouldn't have thought about. So anyway, I guess that's the end of my rambling, so I'm going to go ahead and reveal why I was not getting voltage over here to the screen. Basically, this switch here is a high-low switch, and it grounds the voltage on low going to the screen and makes it into a grounded grid. And it opens on high, not infecting, it lets the voltage basically go through. So that's all grounded on low, or most of it, and it's not grounded on high, and it lets the voltage go over to the screen. So anyway, we had to switch on high, and as we're supposed to, well, at least at the time, it looks like it's on low now. And we went to do some tracing. And remember I was saying how, you know, aha and stupid stuff? If you look at all these switches, how they orientated with the pins at the top, that's the correct way the switches go in. Here's the high-low switch with the pins at the bottom. Somebody put the switch in upside down. This thing had me pulling my hair out. Oh, wait a minute. Tram Doctor don't have hair, but I was pulling out my hair anyway, trying to figure this out, you know, and tracing and voltage and everything else. And the stupid high-low switch is upside down. So I had it on high, and it was grounding out the circuit because the switch is orientated backwards. You see how the other one's the pins at the top, pins at the bottom, pins at the top, pins at the top. So all I got to do is switch around the switch, and that'll fix that problem. Aha, it's always simple once you figure it out. Alright, that's it for this quickie. Bye.